this is Lisa from Local King Roberts and welcome to my channel. Ready for today's video? Today's video is challenging for myself. I am going to finish this card in 1 minute, under 1 minute. So I'm going to put a timer and to see if I can finish this card under 1 minute or maybe a little bit more. I'm not sure. I try to keep it under 1 minute. So this is how it works. I am going to working on this card. And after I finish, I'm going to explain what did I do. So I just want to see if I can finish this card under 1 minute. Let's start it. I did it 5808. So this is what I did. You know, sometimes it doesn't, the car project, it doesn't have to be a very complicated. It's under 1 minute, so maybe a little bit crooked. Let me just fix a little bit. I think that's much better. Okay, look how pretty it is. Under 1 minute. Have you tried to make a car one under 1 minute? Let me just put that away and explain to you what did I do. So just finish here a little bit. Okay, so maybe here I have to just trimming a little bit. This stamp is called the Love Nest. By itself is a very detailed drawing. And when I design my stamp, I call my all my stamp images a piece of artwork because it's like a sketching. It's just like a sketching. So you can for the people who doesn't really have a lot of drawing skill, they can enjoy to be an artist too, just by simply add a little bit color, and you can see what's the result. So for the cherry blossom, I just use this applicator, pick up some color, just give it a little bit touch around the flowers and a little bit green. Because I only have under 1 minute, so I did it very fast. But can you believe it? It took me 58.08 seconds. And that's what it look like. But you don't have to do it in hurry, right? So I can just glue this little twine and then do, maybe now I can add a little bit color for my little birdie here. But I think create under 1 minute, that's awesome. So I think it's a great idea. Give yourself give a try and see how fast you can create a car. My record is the 58.08 seconds. So I hope you like the idea. Sometimes it doesn't have to spend a lot of time to make the car. Some just a little bit touch up. It's just a beautiful car just like that. So I have done all a brand new I have done all a YouTube video for all the 8 brand new combo set, and I'm going to just kind of rearrange it and do one more review, and we are going to start that pre-order soon. So hoping you like today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.